The Zuzana is a Slovak 155mm NATO-compatible version of the Dana. It has improved fire control system and some other improvements. The first prototype was built in 1995. This artillery system has been adopted by Slovakia in 1998. As of 2015, Slovak Army operates 16 of these systems, as well as 135 older Danas. This artillery system has been exported to Greece, Zuzana155, however later these were sold to Cyprus. Currently a total of 12 units are used by the Cypriot National Guard. Unlike many self-propelled howitzers, the Zuzana is based on a special 8x8 wheeled and armored chassis. Such chassis is less expensive to build and to maintain comparing with tracked chassis. The Zuzana is armed with a turret-mounted 155mm/L45 gun-howitzer. The gun is mounted externally between two separated compartments of the turret. In this way the crew is completely isolated from potentially dangerous gun and autoloader mechanisms and is protected from the powder gases generated during firing. Turret traverse is 360 degrees, however firing envelope is limited to 30 degrees on each side. The Zuzana fires all standard NATO 155mm rounds. This self-propelled gun howitzer is capable of both direct and indirect firing. The Zuzana is fitted with an autoloader, so rounds are fed automatically. It loads shells and charges at any elevation. A total of 40 rounds are carried by this artillery system. Ammunition is stored in conveyors. This artillery system can automatically launch 6 rounds within the first minute, or 30 rounds within 6 minutes. Manual rate of fire is reduced to 2 rounds per minute. Sustained rate of fire is around 1.5 rounds per minute. Developers claim that this system is capable of multiple round simultaneous impact firing, MRSI. It can launch a couple of projectiles at different trajectories in order for them to hit the target simultaneously. The Zuzana carries 3 main types of ammunition, including standard high-explosive rounds, extended-range high-explosive rounds and high-explosive anti-tank rounds for direct firing at armored targets. Range of fire depends on projectile and charge combination. Maximum range of fire is 40 kilometers with rocket-assisted shells. This artillery system has an automatic gun-laying mode, when the firing data is calculated by the onboard computer and the gun is automatically laid on the target. There is a roof-mounted 12.7mm machine gun for self-defense. Armor of the Zuzana provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. Vehicle is fitted with NBC protection system. This artillery system has a brief redeployment time. Hydraulic stabilizers are lowered into the ground before firing. The Zuzana is operated by a crew of 4, including commander, gunner, loader and driver. This artillery system uses a special 8x8 chassis developed by Tatra. It uses many mechanical components of the Tatra T815 Coloss heavy high-mobility truck. Vehicle has a new power pack. It is powered by a 19-liter Tatra T3-930-52 turbocharged and air-cooled diesel engine. Developing 355 horsepower engine is located at the rear. It is mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Vehicle is fitted with a central tire inflation system. However, it still has inferior cross-country performance comparing to that of tracked vehicles. The Zuzana can operate in temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Battery of Zuzanas is supported by a fire control vehicle, based on Tatrapan 6x6 armored vehicle. Also there are ammunition supply vehicles, based on Tatra 8x8 trucks with an armored cab. However, if required, each Zuzana self-propelled howitzer can operate on its own.